we have an update from Michael Mosiman himself on Instagram. And if you missed this, in Moto 1, I think lap 2, correct me if I'm wrong there, right before the sky shot jump, he ends up, looks like he just gets cross-rutted and gets launched off the bike. Starts tail whipping and just shoots him off. And if you actually watch, well, later in the video, there's going to be the clip of him on the ground. It obviously is concussion straight away. You can see right there, just launched. And Ragdolls lays on the ground, motionless. And I'm assuming this is the next day, or what are we now? This is Tuesday as I'm recording this, so sometime after Saturday to now, that picture right there with the stitches under his eye and a very, very black eye. But his Instagram, the update he provided himself, saying, quote, "Moderate concussion, a black eye, and some stitches under my eyebrow, and a pair of knee contusions. All in all, I am doing quite good, beat up but not broken. Years ago, this would have broken me both physically and mentally, but I have become much stronger and more resilient. Thank you to everybody for praying for me and reaching out." As far as I know, he is 10th in the motocross standings, and obviously with the moderate concussion, he's going to miss the next round. I mean, from watching the crash, and then also, this of him laying there, you can tell instantly concussion. He's kind of just out of it, can't seem to move his body correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong about this, I don't know. Somebody in my comments on the last video was saying that it took them like 4 minutes to get to them. Now, again, I wasn't there, I didn't see it. And apparently there was, again, from this comment, take this as a grain of salt, that this is somebody else saying it, that there was medics on the side of the track that didn't go help him before the Alpine Stars guys got there. And, in obvious, what I think is always weird, the fact that they actually let these guys get up and walk. I mean, that kind of crash, that kind of straight to the head, impact, you should be on the ground, backboarded, and taken off just for safety. Obviously, a lot of these racers don't want that. They want to be able to get up and walk away. And I don't know, at some point you got to think, if something really bad happens or continues to happen, or somebody gets, paralyzed, like I think there's already a suit going on for that, or I actually don't know if that's finished or not. But at some point it's going to be, you got to look at this and say, we need to have a better sort of procedure for this. But I don't know. So I'm going to leave you guys, comment down below. At least it's not a bad update from him. Concussion, if that's the worst of it, and some bruising and some stitches, it's not exactly the worst thing in the world. But I don't know, you guys tell me, comments down below, were you at Unadilla? Did you like the race? Are you going to the final round or any of the SMX playoffs? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.